Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam won't open on your PC. So the first tip that I suggest you to do here is to simply restart your computer, and in a lot of times Steam will work. And if it's not working, then we can proceed with another steps, right? So the first step what you need to do here, you just need to hit run, and then on run you just need to write Steam double dots to /flash config and / and click OK. And then you should get a message to clear your cache, and just press OK, and then Steam should restart, right? If it's still not working, then what I suggest you to do here is to open up Task Manager. Then you need to go to details, then just write Steam here. And then here, just end all the tasks here. Probably Steam exe will be enough, and then just relaunch the Steam and it should work. If it's not working, then you need to make sure that your Windows operating system is up to date. You just need to go to settings, then you need to go to Windows Update and check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so as well. And the last thing what I suggest you to do here, if none of the method is not working, just go to installed apps, then go to Steam, search for Steam, and then what you need to do here is to simply uninstall Steam and go to the browser, look for Steam download, and download Steam client to your computer again, and it should work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.